You have probably been creating cool content, be it photo shoots, blog posts, and all the other things that you're posting on your social media platform. But did you know that you can take that idea, create a YouTube video, and post that video, have that video help you grow your YouTube channel? You can use a photo shoot idea, add to it, create yourself a whole new video that you can post on your YouTube platform. Not only that, you can probably add to it, create it in a way that makes it look like it's a fresh new content idea. Stick around. In this video, we're talking about that. How do you use or how do you repurpose content on other platforms, on other social media platforms to create YouTube videos? Welcome back to K-Film, my photography and video channel. Here I'm sharing my journey on discovering and mastering the art of photography and video creation. The goal is to support and inspire fellow photographers and content creators alike. It's not what it was, but it's what it is right now. So let's get it. So when you post a blog post or when you do a social media update on Instagram, what happens? These new posts get buried in the feed. So then how do you repurpose these ideas? Get new content that you get to post on your page. How do you get it to help you grow your YouTube channel? The answer is you repurposing these ideas. Let's get into it. You go back into the blog post, you read through and you pull out all the main points and you create talking head video about the key points about the blog post. You can shoot some B-roll or use stock footage on the internet to better illustrate the points that you're talking about in this video. Guess what? Voila, you've got yourself a 10-15 minute YouTube video, fresh content that you can upload to help your YouTube channel grow. This one is what I also do a lot of on my own YouTube. If I do a photo shoot of a client or someone or we are collaborating, I used still images or some of the video footage to create a behind the scene about that specific photo shoot or how I happened to achieve or get the results that I got when working with a specific client or a specific content creator. For every photo shoot or for every video project, I make sure to grab footage or still images of behind the scenes because I know I can create pieces of content from this, done my deliverables and I've delivered to my client already. So when you are creating content, have this in mind. How can I use the same footage to create other pieces of content for my other platforms or YouTube to be exact? So if you are doing long form content like podcasts, on your YouTube channel where you are having conversation or you are discussing something for over 20-40 minutes, even an hour, because podcasts do go that long. Here is a tip for you. You can take snippets of you explaining a point within your podcast footage. It can be as long as 1 minute. Now with YouTube allowing shorts that go up to 3 minutes, you make it vertical, meaning you create the short, you slap some on-screen caption text onto it, and then you've got yourself a piece of content or a short that you can separately post, also drive traffic to your main topic idea or your main podcast video. So I do this a lot as well when I'm creating talking head videos where I'm explaining something. I do take snippets of videos from this video and create shorts from it. Definitely works. Sometimes, which is very weird, it collects more views because it's a short. It collects more views than the actual video that you post. So if you haven't tried this, definitely do it and see how it helps your channel, because I found that it generates a lot more views for you, and that is the game. On YouTube, it's about gaining views and keeping people on your channel. So this really helps. So I believe you are already creating good content, good videos, I hope. So then you are already working very hard. So then use this content to work even harder for you. You are going to do this by repurposing content. And repurposing content is a smart idea. This means you don't necessarily have to come up with new video topic ideas every time you want to create content. You can use footage that you already have, talking head videos that you already have. Just explaining on it, voice over on this footage of this still image, create new beautiful content ideas. Of course, not forgetting that you're doing it in a way that provides value for your audience, because this is very important. People stick around only if they are finding value in your content. Start turning that blog post, that social media update into new YouTube content ideas, okay? If you found value, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to tap on that like button. It was a pleasure hanging out. I'm sure if you watch this video next, you'll find value as well. And don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because last time I checked, still 70% of the people watching some of my videos haven't yet subscribed to the channel. So you're doing me a favor, you're helping the channel to grow if you hit that subscribe button. It was nice hanging out. I see you in my next video.